We are here at 210 Dryden Road. We've come up the first set of stairs. There's a set of stairs to the third floor, so we are on the second floor landing. That is the shared common room across from us. And let's take a look at room 22. You can see we've got 3 doors right in a row, so just off that main landing. Let's go on into room 22. This is one of the larger rooms. This is the largest room on this floor. And as we enter, you can see the furnishings. You can see we have a bit more floor space here in the middle. So that's what I mean with this being a larger room. We have our desk and chair. There's that mini fridge with a freezer. There is your dresser, your bookshelf, your full-size bed. We've got a fan in the window, and we have 2 windows. We are facing to the west. We are over the walkway to Collegetown Court. So you can see that building next to us is Collegetown Court. Over here out of this window on the left, you can see towards Dryden Road. That's the Brazano Family Center over across Dryden Road from us. So you can see how close we are to that main intersection of College and Dryden. And from there, of course, we are just 1 block to campus. Over here, you can see the closet. It does go in over there a little bit. So that's a look at room 22, one of the larger rooms here at this house, 210 Dryden Road, where you have your own private bedroom, but share kitchen and bath with the other students who live on the floor at 210 Dryden Road.